Hi everybody, I'm going to be reviewing these Vega protein crisps. They look like corn chips, baked with plant-based goodness. But check the back. So they've got rice meal. There we go. Rice meal, brown rice, protein, pea protein, seasoning, some other stuff. Yeah, just figured I'd give a review and try them out. Oh man, this is tough. Oh. Yeah, okay, so you can see this look too appealing. I don't know. I'm so used to unhealthy food. These Vegas chips, kind of thick. I guess okay. Not very salty. They have that puff, that little popped chip taste, or at least feel. And this is, what is this? Garlic and herb. So, and that is, okay, all that stuff was one bag worth. Kind of remind me of the Pig Out, those chips. Same consistency, or at least a similar one. But it works. It's just expensive for a snack. But because they're 15 grams of protein, it does its job, you know. So it's like, I don't know how much protein the average person can handle, but you know, if you're hungry, this is a good snack to kind of fall back on, and it's protein and plant-based. So, and it's got a crunch. It's not like corn chips where it's like a lot of crunch, but it's a fair amount. Yeah, surprisingly good. But you know, overall, pretty decent chips. Yep, near the Vega protein chip crisps. Yeah, crisps, not chips. There you have it.